Tesla stock, the only video you need to see. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Shareholdr. In today's video, we are going to talk about Tesla stock and everything you need to know about Tesla stock. Tesla Inc., the world's largest automaker by market value, designs, builds, and markets all-electric vehicles and power generation and storage systems. The company also provides services through vehicle service centers, body shops, and charging stations. Tesla manufacturers sell mid-size sedans, full-size sedans, and compact and mid-size sport utility vehicles. Tesla was founded in 2003 as Tesla Motors by Martin Eberhard and Mark Terpenning. Elon Musk invested in the company and became president the following year. An out-of-court settlement of Eberhard's lawsuit against Musk following Eberhard's ouster from the CEO position allowed both men to call themselves co-founders, along with Terpenning and early hires Ian Wright and J.B. Straubel. The company was born as a manufacturer of electric vehicles, and related components subsequently expanded into energy generation and storage products. Tesla went public in an initial public offering on June 29, 2010. In 2021, Tesla moved its headquarters to Austin, Texas from its former home in Palo Alto, California. Musk is the chief executive officer of Tesla. 3 Tesla shares are grouped within the consumer discretionary sector for investment purposes. Tesla's main rivals include established automakers like Ford Motor Co. and General Motors Co., as well as newer and rapidly growing electric vehicle manufacturers like Lucid Group and NIO Inc. based in China. In fiscal year 2021, which ended December 31, 2021, Tesla posted a net income of $5.6 billion on revenue of $53.8 billion. Here are some of Tesla's recent developments. On April 20th, 2022, Tesla posted a first quarter 2022 net profit of $3.3 billion, a quarterly report that beat Wall Street estimates as revenue increased 81% year-over-year to $18.8 billion. On April 2, 2022, Tesla reported having delivered 310,048 vehicles in the first quarter of 2022, a 68% increase from the previous year. On March 28, 2022, Tesla disclosed plans for a stock split subject to shareholder approval to expand the company's authorized number of shares of the 2022. It did not specify a date or ratio for the planned split. On March 22, 2022, Tesla opened its German plant near Berlin, complementing auto assembly plants in Shanghai, Texas, and California. As of December 28, 2021, Musk revealed that Tesla stock sales total $16 billion since the beginning of November, representing nearly 10% of his stake at the company. On August 1, December 2021, Tesla said it could complete the move of its headquarters to Austin, Texas, where the company's new car factory began production later that year. What's going on with Tesla's recalls? Tesla has issued multiple vehicle recalls in recent months. On April 12, 2022, the company announced the recall of 594,894 vehicles, including the Y, X, and S series models boombox produced in 2020 to 2022 and the 3 models in 2017 to 2022. To disable the boombox function when the car is not parked so you don't drown warning signals or pedestrians. On February 1st, Tesla announced the recall of 800,000 vehicles, including the Model S and Model X, the Model 3, and the Model Y, because the audio reminder to fasten seatbelts might not work, like what's happening with the Tesla Cybertruck. On August 7, 2022, Tesla announced that its electric truck, the Cybertruck, wouldn't be launched until 2022, and was initially slated for late 2021. The truck was hampered by design issues and also the supply chain, challenges related to the pandemic. On April 7th, Musk said the truck would debut in 2023 and be assembled at the recently opened Austin, Texas plant. What's happening with Tesla and Bitcoin? On May 12, Musk announced via Twitter that Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin payments for its vehicles, citing concerns about the increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions. On June 13th, Musk tweeted that Tesla would accept Bitcoin again when about 50% of its mining was done on clean energy. On July 21st, Musk gave more details at a conference on when Tesla will accept Bitcoin. The CEO said the company most likely will resume accepting Bitcoin, pending due diligence to confirm that the percentage of renewable energy used to produce Bitcoin is 50% or more and in an upward trend. What's happening with Tesla's car radar? In May 2021, Tesla announced it would no longer include radar sensors in its Model 3 and Model Y cars produced for sale in North America. The decision prompted Consumer Reports to withdraw its top safety pick designation for the Model 3, and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration said vehicles without radar will no longer receive a tick for several categories, which include the dynamic brake mount. On June 29th, 20 consumer reports and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety restored their highest safety approvals for the Tesla Model 3. What's happening with Elon Musk and the SEC? In September 2018, Tesla and CEO Musk received a civil suit from securities fraud filed by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. As part of the deal, Musk stepped down as the chairman of the board and the company accepted corporate governance reforms, other changes, and a total of $40 million in fines from Musk and the company. The SEC said Musk's Twitter post outlining his intention to deprive Tesla actually lacked an adequate basis. The SEC also accused Tesla of failing to require disclosure controls and procedures relating to Musk's tweets. On June 1st, 2021, the Wall Street Journal reported that Musk had twice violated a court order requiring all tweets from him to be pre-approved by Tesla's attorneys. On March 8th, 2022, Musk filed a lawsuit to end the SEC settlement condition that required the company's lawyers to approve his tweets containing business information, claiming it violates his freedom of expression. On April 14th, Musk called the SEC regulators bastards over the charges established in 2018. What's happening with Tesla's shareholder lawsuit on SolarCity? On July 12th and 13th, Tesla testified in a lawsuit filed by Tesla shareholders. Plaintiffs alleged that they used Tesla's 2016 acquisition of SolarCity to bail out SolarCity while chairing the boards of both companies. Tesla's future plans. A crucial negative factor for investors has always been the valuation of the company. If an analyst on average believes earnings in the second half of 2022 are assumed to be 50% higher than the first half, Tesla shares are trading at a price-to-earnings ratio of about 75 based on the price this year. But the company is working to cut costs. In a recent investor conference, Tesla's head of investor relations, Martin Viecha, said Tesla's cost per vehicle was $84,000 and most recently dropped to $36,000. Continuing this trend will allow Tesla to enter the low-priced electric vehicle market, which should help create massive penetration for the electric vehicle industry. The company recently filed documents saying it's evaluating the potential to build a lithium hydroxide refining plant on the Texas Gulf Coast. This would be another way to optimize the supply chain and control costs. The company said commercial operations could begin in the fourth quarter of 2024 if the project continues. This could help Tesla benefit from the incentives included in its Inflation Reduction Act. The new law has already given Tesla a boost as it takes back some overdue tax credits from consumers buying new electric vehicles. Tesla far exceeded the previous limitation that ended those credits after a manufacturer sold more than 200,000 vehicles. Lower-priced vehicle models and a larger portion of the US-based supply chain will also help you meet certain eligibility requirements. The future certainly looks bright for Tesla. While above 70 is an extremely high rating, if the business continues to grow by 50% or near for the next several years, it won't look that rich. For investors looking years or decades into the future, buying Tesla right now might make sense. Tell us in the comments section your view on this topic. That's all for today's video. If you like the content, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching.